Hi everyone, myself Bikesh Srivastava, and in this session we will cover how to create how to create simple MVC application and what is MVC, what is model, what is view, what is controller. So first of all, before we start, we have to install on system any ID like Visual Studio 2015 and 2017. So I've already installed Visual Studio 2017. Just open the ID, open the Visual Studio, Visual Studio 2017. Just click. So what topic we'll cover today? What is ASP.NET MVC? It's not only MVC, it's ASP.NET MVC and how to create simple hello world MVC. Oh yes, ASP.NET .NET MVC application. Okay, let's see. Just down here. Okay, so how to create this video for the beginner? Just go on File and click on New, click on Project, and after that you can see new pop-up window will open. So yeah, that's great. So here you can see ASP.NET Web Application, .NET Framework, .NET Core, and .NET Framework. So now I don't want to work on .NET Core. Just I want to create ASP.NET Simple Web Application. Just select ASP.NET Web Application, and now your version is 4.5.2. You can select also 4.6, 4.6.1 according your choice. Okay, so just change the name. Hello world. This is the path where your application will store. Just click on OK. Oh, now you can see here the MPT and web form and MVC, web API, single page, and Azure API app. There are a lot of template. You can select anyone according your requirement. So for now I'm going to create MVC application. Just you can select empty and check on MVC, and also you can select MVC already is checked on MVC. Okay, just select MVC and check. Just I don't want unit test. Okay, so click on OK. So MVC is just a model view controller, just a rich framework of the ASP.NET. So we can create the lightweight application, scalable application using the MVC framework. Okay, so MVC provide the own design pattern, MVC following the layering pattern also. So there are a lot of features in MVC application. Okay, you can create the controller, you can create action, you can create model, you can create view. There are a lot of things to learn in MVC, and definitely I will explain each and everything with very deeply in my next session. In next video you can see, but in this session I will cover how to create simple web application to show the hello world. So just I'm going to create a controller and create a simple action and create a simple view, and just I will run, and you will see the output. Okay, it's creating a project hello world. You can see here it's creating the template. Actually MVC Premium provide the some default template, default library which you can see in the application. Library will inbuilt. So you can see in the bottom of the screen here on my cursor, adding Microsoft jQuery and upgrade 3.2.3 project, and you can see after that, yeah, jQuery. So one by one, default library or including in my application. Oh, let's see. Okay, so MVC application has been created. So you can see here the controller folder, and you can see the app start folder. You can see here the script folder, and you can see view. Okay, there are three folders very important: view, controller, and model. Okay, inside the model you can create a class, you can create the structure of the data. Okay, and inside the view you can create the HTML part, you can create the UI part, you can so and inside the controller you can create action like this, and you can create controller. You can create multiple controller inside the controller folder. You can create multiple folder inside the model. You can create multiple view inside the view. Okay, so don't worry about that. It's very easy. It's very so useful to create simple application. Okay, just I'm going to create a simple controller. How to create? First of all, just create a controller. Click on add. Click on controller. Just select the MVC controller empty and select on add. Okay, just name. Suppose I'm giving the name employee. Click on add. Scaffolding all templates is running, executing on the background. So we need to wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Oh yeah, that's great. So you can see here employee control has been created, and base class of the any controller which a controller. If you're creating any controller, that's a base class of the controller. So now just I'm going to show you what is the default route of my application. Okay, default route means what controller, what action will execute at the first time. Okay, so here I already set the home index, but I want to execute employee and index. Okay, employee and index. So here are already index. Just you can go to view. Here is no view. That's great. So just click a new view. Okay, so if you want to use a tiny template you can select, but now I don't want to use any layout. I don't want to use anything. Just click add. Okay, so now you can see layout equal to null. It means I don't want to use layout features. You can see inside the share layout has a lot of things. There are a lot of HTML, there are a lot of HTML controls. So I don't want to use layout, just like a master, just like a theme for the application. So you can just type hello world ASP.NET MVC application by Bikesh Srivastava. Control S, save, and run the application. Just press the F5. Run. So let's see what happened. Now you can see in the screen hello world MVC application by Bikesh Srivastava will show. So it's very simple. Just you need to, if you want, if you're beginner, you don't know about the MVC, just create a MVC application. You can see here the lot of folders and lot of things. So don't worry about that. I will explain each and everything in next session. Okay, just create a simple controller and just create a simple action inside the controller, and after that just create a simple HTML page, simple view, and just run the application. What flow will execute? Fluid, just first of all your application will check the route from the route config. What controller, what action you want to execute at the first time, that will be execute what control you have configured inside the route config file. So now you can see I've configured all things. I created a controller, I created a view, and I've set the route inside the route config. So let's see. I think page is running, and you can see here the local host is my port number, is local host server, and 58641 is the port. So you can see. It's very simple. Don't worry about that. Just wait. Uh, I think it will take 1 or 2 seconds. Just wait. Here, I want to explain there the controller syntax. Okay, there are URI syntax. What URL you will show, you can see inside the URL. First of all, controller slash action slash id. It means if you type, you can also type like this, just employee slash index. Okay, so in that case your route will execute that controller and this action from this controller, this action. Okay, but by default route, you can according your route config, default route employee and index will execute. Just wait, I think it's taking this time. I think my studio is slow. And route name is default. Okay, so you can create as well as multiple controller, and you can set the route inside the route config file. If you don't want change the route, by default home controller and index action will execute. Let's check. Let's check on the browser. Oh yes, very nice. You can see here, hello world ASP.NET MVC application by Vikesh Srivastava. So it's fine. So for today, um, thanks for watching my video, and for more update please like, subscribe and comment my video, and definitely I will upload a lot of video on the MVC API and Angular. Okay. Thanks guys. Bye bye.